How to apply for maternity leave. So here's what you're gonna have to do. Just go ahead and enter your preferred browser and just search for canada.ca. Once you do that, you should be led into something like this. Just go ahead and enter their website, and then from here on, you can go ahead and sign in if you'd like. You're gonna go ahead into the menu over here and then go to the benefits. In benefits, go ahead to employment insurance benefits and leave. And you're gonna have to go ahead and click on that, and from there you're gonna have to scroll down until you find maternity and parental benefits. So you'll be able to see the step-by-step instructions on how to apply for this. So in the sections, you'll have the what these benefits are for, if you qualify, how much you could receive, and finally the apply section. So you could read through all that, but if you want to go ahead and directly go to the apply, just go ahead and press on this over here, which is the apply, and then you can follow these steps to apply. So you got the step 1, choose benefits, gather required information for step 2. Next is to complete the online application. You can go ahead and provide required documents. Then a benefit statement and access code will be arrived by mail, and you can check the status of your application. So if you're ready, familiar with the program, you can just go ahead and press and apply. But this is pretty much the section where you can apply for a maternity leave in your canada.ca. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.